11 things you should quietly eliminate from your life to improve your well-being and happiness. 1. Toxic relationships. Let go of people who consistently bring negativity or drain your energy. 2. Comparing yourself to others. Focus on your journey, not someone else's timeline. 3. Clutter. Declutter your space to create a peaceful and organized environment. 4. Procrastination. Break tasks into smaller steps and take action. 5. Negative self-talk. Replace criticism with encouragement and self-compassion. 6. Unhealthy habits. Gradually eliminate habits that harm your physical or mental health. 7. Holding grudges. Forgiveness frees you, not the other person. 8. Unnecessary spending. Cut back on impulsive purchases and focus on mindful spending. 9. Overcommitment. Learn to say no to things that overwhelm you or don't align with your goals. 10. Fear of failure. Embrace mistakes as opportunities to learn and grow. 11th. Constant need for approval. Trust yourself and prioritize your happiness over others' opinions.